Hey everyone. First, I hope everyone is enjoying their holiday season. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, to your friends, and to your family. Today is a 10-minute gentle yoga practice focused on gratitude and opening your heart. So go ahead and grab some of your friends and family. Please feel free to join me today. This is perfect to bring some calm and positivity into your day. Go ahead and grab your chair and let's get started. Come back. Let's have a seat in your chair. Come to the edge of your seat, feet firmly planted on the floor. Let's do some deep inhales and exhale. It's warming up the body. And exhale. Good. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for taking some time out of your Thanksgiving holiday. If this is your first time joining, welcome. If you're returning, thanks again so much. Again, my name is Shirkendra. I'm a certified yoga instructor. I help women over 40 and beginners build self-confidence and movement and how to live a healthier lifestyle. Good. Also, to keep up with some wellness tips on your wellness journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Good. Couple more here. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Good. Let's bring your legs out, arms up and out. Standing firm here like a goalpost or a cactus pose. We move through our movements today. Let's be mindful. Our mantra or affirmation for today is, I invite gratitude and warmth into my heart. This is a great heart opener. You'll feel the warmth here in your arms, in your shoulders, your back, your entire body. We'll hold this for 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Ooh, good. Release. Shake it out. Shake it out. Very good. Bring your legs back together. Do some shoulder rolls. And we're moving from side to side, activating the spine, warming up the body, getting that blood flowing. This is also loosening up our obliques. Continue to breathe. 3 more. And 1 more. And good. Great job. Let's do some leg circles here. Let's keep your right leg bent. Lift it up. And we'll do some gentle circles here. So we're actually going to be activating our inner thighs, our outer thighs as well. Going to feel a little bit of warmth and some burn. You need to hold on to the back of your chair for more stability. That's fine. If this is a little bit too challenging, you can just raise your foot up and down. You are still activating those major leg muscles within your body. But if you like to challenge yourself, go ahead and do about 4 more of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ooh, shake it out. My goodness. Next, let's do the left leg. Leg up and bring it over. So this is a gentle move here, no jerkiness. Just move it gently. You may feel some pops in your inner thigh. It's just your lower body warming up here. Good, let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Woo, that was a good one. All right, let's stretch out our legs here. Right leg to the side, stretch out your left leg for extended side angle. Have your elbow down on your thigh, pull your belly button in, reach up and over. See that straight line, that energy activation coming from your fingertips all the way down to your heel. Feel that opening up in your pelvic area. Good. rooting down, grounding, centering today. Very nice. Inhale and exhale. Good. Release. Slowly come up. Bring your legs together. Let's switch to the other side. Left leg comes out. Extend your right leg. Elbow rests on your thigh. Right arm up and stretch it over. Again, as a reminder, keep your belly button up and in. Keep that core engaged. To keep that energy flowing through your body. Keep that metabolism burning. Good. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Release. Slowly come back up. Bring your legs together. Here to the side. We're going to be switching our arms and legs back and forth. Come to the edge of your seat. Extend your right leg out. Arms out in front of you. Swing your right leg back and come forward. Left arm back and forward. Keep your spine nice and tall. Keep your core engaged. It's a total body stretch. We're activating our muscles and stretching and lengthening at the same time. Let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. Good. Release. Throw that thigh a little bit. Let's switch legs. Now, when you extend it out, you don't have to come all the way out. You can just extend right here. That's more comfortable. Arms forward. And let's swing our arms back and up. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose. Good. 2 more. 1 and 2. Good. Release. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake your legs out a little bit. Good. Seated figure 4. Put your right foot over your left knee. Inhale, your arms up and gently hinge forward. Go as you're as comfortable as going. If you're feeling any pain, please ease up. We just want this to be a gentle stretch here, opening up the hip area, releasing tension in our back. If you prefer to have your hands down, that's fine. Place your right hand on your inner knee here and gently press open, and you can also hinge forward. You'll still feel that stretch in your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Good. Release. Come back up. Keep that spine nice and tall. Switch legs. Left foot over right knee. Inhale, arms up and come forward. Very good. You may notice that one side may be tighter than the other. That's perfectly fine. Again, you may rest your hands here. Gently press open in your side your knee here. Inhale and exhale. Great. Come back up and release. Inhale, your arms up and forward fold. Allow your arms to dangle here. Inhale 1 vertebrae at a time. Slowly come up. Your head is the last to come up. We're going to keep up our practice. Very nice. Inhale. Bring your hands together. Exhale. Hands down to heart center. And let's take a bow. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to check out my latest video. It is my 10-minute morning mobility, wake up your joints. where I have some standing yoga stretches and poses, as well as some floor work. A lot of these exercises that you have seen today is a modification of that. Also, too, in the descriptions below, I do have some great resources for you to watch and look through. I have my freebie, which is my free 5-day gentle yoga guide, and also my newsletter, which you can sign up for monthly for health and wellness tips. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more support on your wellness journey. Again, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family and friends, and I will see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.